Welcome everybody back to our Sunday schools. Today, like I said last week, we're gonna correct these parts right here. These parts are very, very sensitive. Each time you open your door, you grab them, you scratch them with your fingers, everything, and we're gonna make them nice and clean. The product we're gonna be using right here, I'm gonna tape it off. I'm gonna use the clay lube because you always wanna clay stuff before you polish it. Because everything's contaminated. Even your glass, you can clear your glass, your paint before you polish, always. Okay, so we're gonna discontaminate it with using our clay towel, 3D clay lube from Glow Line, 501 and 502. I'm gonna use 501 and 502 because these are our finest abrasives that we have. These right here can correct up to 1500 grit sandpaper, but they're very, very fine abrasives and not too aggressive. For like your very, very black parts, sensitive parts, black paint, like Porsche paint, it's very sensitive. These right here are very good for that. So we're gonna use RBLs, 12mm throw, dual action polish. First what I'm gonna do, tape off the area. Next step, we're gonna use clay lube from 3D Glow Line series. Very little. Clay pad, clay towel. It already looks better. Gonna use 3D spider pad, light purple pad, spider pad. 501. Don't need very much. A very nice feature about this RBL polisher, it's very smooth, very powerful, it corrects very good, and it has a little light, like that I can see my imperfections. So you guys can see, it only took a few passes. Now, second step, black spider pad, 502. And what the second step will do with the 502, will eliminate any type of micro marring that you left behind using the light spider pad, because you gotta remember, these pieces are very sensitive. And 502 is gonna do is gonna make it pop and make it shine a lot more. We're gonna get a nice soft towel, like that we don't have to re-scratch. So now that we're done, show you the before and after, and 3 easy steps. Clay, 501, 502. And if you like to protect it, you can add any type of wax, you can add ceramic coating, or you can PPF it. The choice is yours. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Now that we finished both of them, now the car looks a lot better, a lot more nicer. Thank you guys for always watching Sunday School, and Merry Christmas.